Kung legit matcha latte ang hanap mo, baka eto na yun. Eto ang honest review namin ng bagong cafe sa Baguio. Out of the Ordinary Cafe, bagong bukas lang noong December 2024 at nasa second floor, City Hub Building, Upper General Luna Road, open everyday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pagpasok mo, mafe-feel mo agad ang cozy vibes. Ang interiors nila pang Instagram talaga. Perfect ang lighting at design. May free wifi at charging spot pa, kaya chill spot for students or remote workers. They serve classic and specialty espresso-based drinks, teas and non-espresso drinks. May pastries and snacks din sila, pero drinks lang muna ang trinay namin. Ako, nag-order ng matcha latte na less ice. Ang matcha powder na gamit nila, Nico Neko Authentic Straight from Japan. Ang galing panoorin ng process nila mula sa pag-sift ng matcha, whisk at sa paghalo ng milk. Ang lasa, wow na wow. Perfect balance ng matcha at milk. At kahit tunaw na yung ice, andun pa rin ang rich matcha flavor. So for me, this is a solid 10 over 10. Sila kay naman nag-order ng OOTO specialty drink. Espresso na may tonic water, lemon at rosemary. Sabi niya malakas at high quality ang ginamit na coffee beans, pero yung combination ng espresso at tonic water, medyo hindi niya trip, kaya 7 over 10 daw ang score niya dito. Kung hanap mo ay quality drinks, IG worthy spot at relaxed ambience, Out of the Ordinary Cafe is worth a try. Snacks naman next time ang itatry namin. Don't forget to like and follow us for more honest reviews.